Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix no sound on Windows 11. First, check the most basic things. Look at the speaker icon in the taskbar. Make sure the volume is not set to 0. Also, make sure the sound is not muted. Next, right-click the speaker icon and select Sound Settings. Under Output, check that the correct audio device is selected. Sometimes Windows switches to the wrong device, like a monitor or a virtual output. Click the drop-down menu and choose the device you actually use, such as your speakers or headphones. After selecting it, test the sound. If there is still no sound, go to System from the left menu. Now scroll down on the right and click Troubleshoot, and then Other Troubleshooters. Find Audio and click Run next to it. This will start the Windows Audio Troubleshooter. Let it run and follow any instructions it shows on the screen. It can automatically fix common audio problems. Now we will restart the audio services. Press the Windows key and type Services. Then open the Services app. Scroll down and find Windows Audio. Right-click it and choose Restart. Do the same for Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Restarting these services can fix sound issues caused by temporary system errors. After that, go back to Settings, then System, then Sound. Scroll down and open the volume mixer. If available, reset the volume mixer to default value so all apps use normal sound levels. Finally, restart your computer. This helps apply all changes properly. After reboot, test the sound again. In most cases, these steps will fix the no sound issue on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.